Hey y'all, we're about to get some more bad weather here in the beautiful hill country, so I just wanted to show y'all how I cover my garden, and maybe it could help some of y'all out. We just thought about this idea this year, so check it out. What we did was we just built a frame around it, and then I got a really thick tarp, and we put nails. I don't know why it's blurring. We put nails on it so we could just hook it together like that. And I have braces underneath it, and I've got that pole in the middle. So hopefully it should help it from sagging a lot like it did last time. I don't know if y'all watched that video, but my whole thing fell down except for these, of course, and almost ruined all my peppers. But as y'all have seen in my videos, they've made a great comeback. I just don't want to risk it again. So I have more tarp on this side. I couldn't exactly get to go on how I wanted to, but I'm kind of in a hurry. But this should be okay. Woo, bumblebee. So hopefully it'll work out better. Hopefully the storm won't be as bad as it was last time either. We had a small twister not too far away from us down the road. So we will see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and get my butt inside. I'm gonna put one more brace over here in that opposite corner, but then I go in. So see y'all later. I will let y'all know how this goes. Bye y'all. Hey y'all, this is the next day after the storm. We're gonna go check on the plants and see if anything happened. We did lose a branch out in the yard, so that's not very promising for me. But we'll see what happened. I don't think the storm got as bad last night as it did last time, thank goodness. So we'll have to check everything out and see what happened. Look at my lemons now. I'm so ready for them to turn. I'm excited about that. Do I have any limes yet? Oh, I do. There's a little lime right there. I don't have anything on that one yet, though. All right, let's go check on the garden. I feel like oh my gosh, the Sugar Rush peach peppers got so much bigger last night. And I moved them underneath the porch up against this fertilizer and this table, so that way they would maybe stay shielded out of the storm a little bit last night. And they love it up here, apparently. Look at all those peppers that are gonna come in. Super excited to try those. All right, let's see. Yay! It looks like everything made it. The tarp didn't blow off this time. But like I said, it didn't get as bad as it did. I need to pull those. I think those are about over. Except for this one. I took it out of the peppers just to make more room for them. And I just set it up against the stick, this 2x4, and look at it go. I mean, it is just loving it right here. I mean, really, I've never seen a marigold get that big. Let's see. Those Thai peppers are looking beautiful today. Those are supposed to be extremely hot. Purple jalapenos, none of them are ready. Everybody looks good. I'm ready for this huge tomato to be ready. And look at that. That thing's probably about half a pound. Wow. I need to pull that sunflower. I'm definitely going to do some rearranging with my garden next year. I'm going to have a couple more raised beds out here. But see how it's all overgrown. The heirloom tomato plants that I planted are very, very, very tall and very bushy. I've never planted these before, this kind. I planted the black cherries. I started the Rutgers last year, but they didn't want to start for me. They had a horrible germination. And so They didn't bush out that bad anyways. It's these, the German Golds and the Sunny Boys and the Lemonies and all these other guys that are just crazy. So next year, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a bed probably twice the size as what the tomatoes are in, and I'm probably gonna do the same amount of tomato plants in there, but I'm not gonna do any pollinator attracting flowers. I'm not gonna do the sunflowers. I'm not gonna do the marigolds. I'm not gonna do any of that in the same beds. My grandfather even came over here and he looked at it for me whenever I first had it planted, and he said, I don't know if that's gonna work out really well, but we're just gonna have to see, because he's never planted these heirlooms either. And he's planted a lot of stuff. So I should have just taken his advice, but you know, you'll never learn unless you try, right? All right, guys, y'all have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.